it fills the air. Heroes have fallen, leaving sorrow everywhere. Rise up, O descendants, awaken your spirit today. Wollo never kneels, come what may. Oh, Wollo, Wollo, land of the brave and true. Your spirit of glory shines in all that we do. Though heavy with sadness, do not lose your light. Rise from the ashes and stand for your right. Kallu, Baate, Wara-Illuu, the mountains stand tall, bearing witness to the blood shed for us all. Even if enemies come our land to claim, our warriors hold strong, defending our name. This is no new struggle, it's a legacy we bear. Wollo will conquer with courage to spare. The tears of mothers wash the soil beneath. Wallow's children walk through paths of grief. But hope awakens like the morning sun. In unity we rise until the battle is won. Our struggle is measured, our history is deep. Wollo shall triumph, promises we keep. Let the blood spill be the seed for peace. May justice and harmony bring sorrows to cease. We build our culture, we restore our past, honoring our heroes, making memories last. Wollo is a land of peace, a land of great pride, for the coming generation with nowhere to hide. Deep in the silence we find our strength, learning from history, going through any length. Unity is power, that's what they say. Wollo lives on